In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Lucidchart to Word in the easiest way possible. Now, just so you know, Lucidchart doesn't directly export diagrams as an editable Word document, so the best method is to export your diagram as an image or PDF first, then insert it into Microsoft Word. This is a great solution if you need to share your diagram inside a document, include it in a report, or keep everything organized in one place. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Lucidchart and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open an existing diagram that you want to move into Word or create a brand new blank document if you're starting from scratch. Make sure the diagram is complete and looks the way you want it before exporting, because this will be the version that gets added to Word. Next, look at the top menu and click File. From the drop-down, choose Download As. Lucidchart gives you a few export options, and for this method, you'll want to choose PNG, JPEG, or PDF. Any of these formats can work, but PNG is often the best choice if you want a clear, high-quality image inside Word. After selecting your preferred format, save the file to your computer. Now open Microsoft Word and create a blank document. If you're using Microsoft 365 or a version of Word that supports inserting pictures, you should be ready to go. If you don't see the Insert Pictures option, that may mean you need a supported desktop version of Word or an active Microsoft 365 subscription. So before moving forward, double-check that your version of Word supports image insertion. Once Word is open, click Insert in the toolbar. Then choose Pictures. Depending on your version of Word, you may see an option like This Device or From File. Select the exported Lucidchart file from your computer. Once you find it, click Insert to place the diagram into your Word document. After the diagram appears in Word, you can resize it, move it around, or align it however you want. If the image is too large, drag the corners inward to scale it down without distorting it. If you want it centered on the page, just adjust the positioning until it looks right. You can also add text above or below the diagram to make the document more polished and professional. When everything looks good, save your Word document. You've now successfully exported Lucidchart to Word using a simple workaround that works reliably for most users. Remember, this method doesn't turn the diagram into an editable Word object, but it does let you place your Lucidchart design directly into a Word file quickly and cleanly. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.